it is always recommended to use a spotter while bench pressing. If you happen to find yourself in a bad position without a spotter, perform the exercise without clips on the bar. Slowly lower one side, allowing the weight to slide off. Control the bar because it will swing back the other direction. If clips are present on the bar, lower the bar keeping your abdominal muscles contracted and roll the weight down to your thighs. So we can continue to make these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.